everyone! Today I will show you how to cook corned beef hash, or we known as ginisang corned beef. This is very easy recipe. Here's our ingredients: corned beef, potatoes, onion, garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and I will also use here cooking oil. So guys, ayan, painitin natin yung ating kawali. And then magi-spray tayo dito ng cooking oil. And then guys, i-add natin yung ating potatoes. Yan, i-fry lang natin sila. And then guys, lalagyan ko ito ng salt and pepper. Yan guys, at atin lang natin silang piprituhin. Ayan guys, kung napapansin nyo, unti-unti nang nagba-brown yung ating patatas. Hintayin lang natin silang maluto bago natin sila hanguin sa ating kawali. Ayan guys, so brown na yung ating patatas, hanguin na natin sila. Alright guys, same pan, let's stir fry our onion. And then add the garlic. Ayan guys, ituloy lang natin yung ating paggisa sa ating bawang at sibuyas, hanggang sa maging translucent na yung ating sibuyas at mag-golden brown naman yung ating bawang. Alright guys, ayan, pwede na nating i-add yung ating corned beef. And then maglalagay lang ako dito ng ground black pepper. At hindi na natin kailangan lagyan ng asin dahil yung corned beef ay maalat na yan guys. Kaya ground black pepper na lang yung ating i-add dito. Tapos, ayan, i-continuously lang natin yung ating paggisa. Napakadali lang, di ba? Tapos, i-add na natin dito yung ating patatas na naprito natin earlier. Ayan. Wow, ang bango. Yung iba guys, naglalagay sila dito ng tubig. Gusto nila na may konting sabaw. Pero tayo, dahil ginisa lang naman ito, so igigisa lang natin siya. Hindi natin siya sasabawan. Pero nasa sa inyo guys, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng konting tubig dito, pwede din. Ayan guys, kapag ganito na siya, ayan, pwede mo na siyang iserve. Pero ako, ipa-fry ko lang siya ng konti pa. Ayan, patutuyuin ko pa ng konti. Guys, see? Look at that. They produce the oil from the fats of the corned beef. See? And they already fried with their own oil. Look at that. Wow. So guys, this is ready and we can serve it. So guys, ito na yung ating ginisang corned beef. Ayan, na may patatas. Ang bango. Wow, sarap nito guys. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina guys, yung iba nilalagyan nila ng sabaw. Yung iba naman is pina-fry nila siya hanggang sa maging tuyong-tuyo yung ano niya. Texture niya. Ayan. So, guys, ayan. I-ready nyo na yung ating kanin. So, guys, here is what we made today. Ginisang corned beef. Ayan. So, tikman natin, guys, yung ating ginawa. Kain tayo. At meron ako dito yung aking rice. Wow. Sarap. So guys, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina habang niluluto natin ito, na pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng konting sabaw. Ayan, masarap din yon. Tapos dagdagan nyo na lang ng asin para hindi matabang. And then pwede namang i-fry nyo pa hanggang sa maging crispy-crispy na yung ating corned beef. Kain tayo guys. Sarap. So, very simple recipe, right? So, guys, I hope you enjoy watching our video for today. And thank you very much for always supporting my channel. See you next time. Goodbye!